Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this absolutely stunning 2016 Jaguar F-Pace D300 S. This car comes with the 3-litre diesel engine with the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 300 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles per gallon. The mileage is very low at just over 8,000 miles and the car has good service history. This particular colour is called Quartize Silver, and this came from the premium range of colours from Jaguar, and I think it really does make the car look very nice. The first owner chose over £5,000 worth of factory options, which included the 22-inch alloy wheels, the Gesture Tailgate, the lane assist, the Panoramic Roof, and also the space saver. So a few extra nice features there for you. As you expect, Jaguar's luxury interior, so you've got the really supportive leather seats there, which are heated and electric, and you've got the S logo on the headrest as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got your touchscreen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers and folding door mirrors, just to mention a few features there. And you've also got the leather dash there with the red stitching, which I think really does look very nice. Being an SUV, nice and practical with a nice raised driving position and also lots of headroom and legroom there in the back for rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and also the air vents there in the centre, as well as your 12-volt sockets. And I see the car's got the Jaguar rubber carpet floor mats there as well. On the sides there, you've got your Jaguar side steps, which someone's fitted. So again, great for practicality and stepping in and out of the car. So with the Gesture Tailgate, you literally swipe your foot underneath the tailgate. Try one more time. There you go. So if you're carrying your shopping, you don't have to put your shopping down to open the tailgates. That's really smart. As you can see, a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Again, another rubber floor mat there, so that keeps the boot nice and clean. And then underneath the boot floor, as I mentioned, as a factory option, you've got your space saver wheel there as well. Externally, the car comes with xenon headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.